Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how I transform my room. It looks super messy. Also, I want to talk about my face first. Okay, so the reason I have a face mask on is because honestly, I don't want anyone to see my face. It's one of those days where I don't want to show my face to anyone. I don't feel like it. There's nothing I can do because I have to, clearly do my whole... And I'm so excited to show you how I'm just going to transfer all of this to this. So, yeah, I think let's get started. It's so weird looking at myself like this. So yeah, it's basically going to be Batman showing how he fucking changes his whole room. Okay, I'm going to take off the mask so you can hear me better. Hey guys, it's me again. I did some stuff off camera because there was just no way that I could film and do it. Now I'm really procrastinating opening up the suitcase, the 3 boxes there, and that's because they all are just clothes, outfits, and I hate folding clothes. I'm trying to declutter, throw away things that I haven't touched, and this is just a makeup drawer here, and that's the skincare drawers. So I couldn't film all of it, but yeah, I actually don't have a lot of clothes. I'm not a clothy person, so I knew I would have a lot of space. So I'm kind of happy with how this turned out. Just now we have makeup left, installing my TV over there. Then I'm just fixing my clock. The battery is not working, and I changed the light to a yellow one because the white one was just like too much. So yeah, we have still some things to go through. This is a lot of stuff. Holy, I don't know where to begin. That's the curtain that needs to go up as well. So now I just have some makeup stuff to pack in. I thought this would be fun filming it. I think this is just makeup and trash. So it's 9:30 at night. Perfect. So this is what my room looks like, and that's what my bed looks like. So it has these beautiful lights. I don't want to blind you guys, but they are strip lights. I'm gonna see you guys tomorrow. I'm gonna talk about everything in detail. Here it's all crazy, and that's because I just got out of bed and I was sleeping on the side clearly. So I'm going to show you how this method works. It's amazing. Like honestly, I'm gonna start from there all the way to the dustbin box there. So these are the blockout curtains that I got from IKEA. If you don't know what blockout curtains are, they basically block any and every single light that's coming through the balcony, your sunlight, moonlight, street lights, all of it. If you stay in a hot country, I definitely recommend getting it. And then after that, here we have this table. So this is my filming table, and outside you can see that tripod is going to be in after like a few days. So a lot of people ask me where I got the marble tabletop from. It's actually a sticker, and I got the sticker from Dye, so you can see it's really bad. Oh god. This table is from IKEA. I don't know the name because it was a second-hand table that I bought way back in the day. I got this bar stool. I just cleaned it, so just ignore the water spots. Personally like having a bar stool for my filming. I could adjust the height, how high or low I want it to be, so this is amazing. And I love the leather design in this. It's super pretty. It was super cheap. It was just like $50 to $45 from Hotbox. So from here, let's jump onto this side. So this is where I edit my YouTube videos and do my makeup as well. Two things in one spot. So these are the famous Alex drawers. You guys know every beauty guru has it. One drawer is full of makeup and the other drawer is just full of like random stuff. This table is my favorite table ever. You have a like whiteboard here, whatever you want, like anything you want, and it just like rubs off. Perfect table to like study, write, do your essays, whatever you want. You have like a small hole so the wire comes out, but that's amazing. That's such a lifesaver. And now I have a lot of cords and cables, and I just kind of hide it with this chair here. This is the big man chair, CEO chair. I make 6 digits and cheat on my wife chair. This is the perfect chair that I wanted for this desk. The chair is also from IKEA, if you're wondering. Again guys, every name will be listed below. I just don't know the name on the top of my head because IKEA names are so complicated. Here I have my drawers. These are just like my go-to makeup. This set is from Lifestyle in Dubai Mall. So what you see here is a 3-tier self-rack. Items that I've kept here are just things that I want to take on the go, and I don't want to keep again opening up these drawers. There's so many and I'll be really confused, so this really helps with that. So here I have a lot of scissors, pocket knives for opening up here packages, rubber ties, such as Juicy Couture perfume. So here I just have a hairbrush, my Canon 80D, what I used to film my YouTube videos in. Here I just have this ugly tissue box. It's such an ugly color, so I like to just kind of put it in like that. And this bag is my birthday gift. I think it's from Forever 21. Here I have a fan from Daiso. You want to speed up drying your face, this is what you use. And they kind of match this, that, and my laptop, so I thought it would just have like a small pink touch here because everything here is just like black, white, and gray. And there I have my YouTube plaque, and this is just the same like quality. This one you can tell. But guys, I got excited and I bought it, but I don't know where to keep it and what to keep in this, so I just like leave it on top, and it kind of like rotates by itself. It was cute, so I just got excited and I bought it, but I don't know where to keep it. So moving on to this side, again, I'm very simple. I just have 3 glasses. These are my horror glasses, and these glasses I wear when I don't want anyone to see me. I don't match my IG pictures. That's when I wear these. Oh, this is Forever 21, AliExpress, and this is a PR kit. They sent it to me. It's super lightweight, and I really like that about it. So here I have Calvin Klein cute perfume. I actually got this as a gift from Lubaba's mom. She's so cute. So yeah. And this pot, you guys, I got this from Day to Day. That's 2 dirhams. It was so cheap. It's such a pretty pot for 2 dirhams. That's like 25 cents. It's so cute. Oh look, you can see it here. I got this mainly because it reminds me of my dad. It's like built like my dad, you know, small head, big body, and I just love it. So cute. Oh my god. And here I have my little leather bag. So this is a bag that I take all the time. This is from Forever 21 as well. I got this corner rack from Hotbox as well. So moving on here, I just again have all my cables, plugs, wires, microchip cords, phone chargers, tripods, my camera bag, and here I have my laptop bag. I have the pink one I got as a gift, and here is the marble one, just like, you know, straighteners, colors. I just have random stuff here, like lashes. I have a lot of lashes, so that's just gonna be here. And these racks just full of makeup. They're super heavy and they get so dirty easily, so I need to organize all of this. Eyeshadow palettes, foundations, concealers. So on this rack I have my favorite lip balm. This is my favorite dry shampoo, favorite moisturizer. Here I have my go-to ordinary serum, which helps me brighten my hyperpigmentation, choline oil by melatonin pill, and I have a bottle full of rubbing alcohol, guys, and this is the best thing ever. Love disinfecting like my laptop screen, my phone screen. Just takes a second. Can do this with one hand, but you get the point. So this is an iPad support, and you get this from IKEA. It's basically just to keep it on your lap. Put it on your lap like this, like if you, when you're like typing, texting, whatever. See, this is the part where the laptop is going to be touching your leg, so it hurts so much because it's literally pressing through your flesh. And then recently I actually went to IKEA now, and I can't tell you how much it's changed my life. IKEA came out with this laptop support. This is a different one, and this is amazing because you have this sturdy top where you can keep your laptop, and at the bottom you have the cushiony feel here. This is a soft cushiony pillow here, so that way your legs, they don't like dying. This is an amazing purchase. I would highly recommend getting it. This is super cheap. It's just 15 dirhams. This is 3 times more the price of that one, but I love this cute little dustbin from Hotbox. One's dirty, one's not. Guess which one. These are also the 10-pack hangers from IKEA. This rack is from IKEA as well. I just wanted a TV that, you know, played Netflix, I guess. It just took me 2 seconds to go to the store and order what I want, because I know nothing about TV. I'm just like, does it play Netflix? Yeah, okay, I'm gonna have it. One, please. I'm pretty sure that was the easiest customer. But my favorite part is, guys, this is a bracket which can kind of go in and out, go up and down. It goes left and it goes right. I kind of eat there. So this comes in handy where you can just turn the whole TV to that side. Like the whole thing is facing here now. Look how amazing that is. The bracket is super cheap, by the way. It's just like 59 dirhams. That's like $20, I think. Yeah, not even 20, 15 maybe. Look at that. It's super easy. It's not heavy, because I thought it's gonna be heavy, honey. I have like twig hands and I thought I wouldn't be able to pull it, but it's super easy. And you can also kind of tilt it towards you, like to the bed, or you can just keep it a little straight. You can also kind of push it back against the wall. And this is a 49-inch TV, if you're wondering. These fur pieces here, guys, they're like 80 dirhams in IKEA. That's like $25, $30. I don't know. They're so expensive. I got them for so cheap, $5. Good quality. They don't shed, like they don't come out, none of that. Do you want to know how to get them? From a car accessory shop. It's my biggest life hack ever. So I got them in black and I got few in white. I kept the white here just to hang, to kind of hide the cable that goes in here. It's kind of ugly. I got this cute little guy from Homebox, cute little mat from IKEA, and those shoes are from Daiso. This is like installed to the wall already. But then I got myself a different one, because like 2 is better than 1. If I don't have that, at least I have this to save my ass. So I got this like green set. Like they all came in a set from Homebox. Again, I have my Vanity Planet makeup remover. I use this for my acne treatment. This is the sulfur ointment. I have my face wash, the only one that I use. And I got this little hamper damper from Hotbox as well. And the shower curtains from Day Today. Again, I wanted it to like match with my aesthetic, the gray white theme here. I got this cute little robe from my Vogue event. It has my name, which is so cute. Cute little corner rack is actually from Homebox. Also, life hack, put your loofah right under the tap and run the water, and you can see it gets more bubbly as the time goes by. And if you're wondering, this is the one that I use for my bubble bath. Finally, the bed, guys. I've saved it to the end because it's the best part in my room. I love my bed. This is how it looks, and this is how I usually sleep at night. It's super pretty in real life. So this is the cloud that I I was blinded all of you, but this is the cloud light from IKEA. It was 30 dirhams, pretty cheap, and it works well as a night lamp. So that's how it looked in the night, and this is how it looks in the morning. I usually don't have the lights on because, like useless. I didn't put the lights by myself. Like you can see that strip here, it's a light strip. So I got this mirror from IKEA as well. It's like a basic plain white mirror, and I installed these lights by myself. I actually got it from Desert Card. They don't work anymore because they kind of snapped when I was moving. If you really want to have a lighted bed, you can definitely do it. I'm sure you can have it on Amazon. I'll put the link below. I actually don't have a bed fitted sheet, and that's because I actually bought one from IKEA. It had like a satin finish to it, but we kind of lost it in moving, and I cannot find it. We're still trying to look for it because it was so expensive, but I have to get another one. But for now, I just use the same blanket here that you see over here. So this is the only thing that gave me a little bit of a heart attack. I got the quilt from Home Center, guys. Home Center is one of the most expensive furniture stores out there. The quilt costed me 500 dirhams, and that's almost $150. I bought 2 quilts. I spent 1,000 dirhams on the white one and the gray one. The reason they're so expensive is because of the thread count. If you want to know what a thread count is, so I'm going to teach you something they should have taught us in school. The higher the thread count, the more softer your quilt, your pillow, whatever it is. That's the difference. When I sleep, I want to sleep like in a cloud. So this comforter set, they were together like 500. This is 500 and that's 500. So it's like sleeping in a cloud. It's the best thing ever. I always look forward to sleeping into my new bed. So yeah, I got this from Home Center. It's super soft. It's like sleeping in an actual fluffy cloud. And the best thing is that they do come with 2 pillowcases. So these 3 pillows that you see here, they're pretty big and they're not that fluffy. They're good for like back support. This pillow, this one of them, this is the one that I actually sleep in, guys. This pillow is from IKEA. They're duck feathers or something. I don't know what the exact term is. I chopped it off. I think this was one of the most priciest things that I've paid here in this whole room. Freaking, it's 300 dirhams. That's almost $100 for a freaking pillow, but it's worth it. It's so soft and I sleep like a freaking baby. Rest all is just like cheaper pillows, but yeah, this is what I sleep in usually. And I bought these velvet pillowcases from Home Center, and then I stuffed them in. A lot of you want to know where I got the bed from. It's from Homebox. Fun story, I actually bought an IKEA bed, so I had to cancel that order. Got this bed. It's so beautiful. I just can't stop saying my bed is so pretty. I don't want to get into it. But yeah, that's my finished room tour, you guys. A lot of you have been requesting it. I don't even want to get in and just ruin it. I just made my bed, but yeah, this is the finished tour.